Mothers don't break, but they're broken. 51% of mothers say they're anxious and depressed. Mothers, the pillars of strength and love, seem to be some of the most depressed individuals in our society. Why, despite their unwavering smiles and boundless care, are they often shrouded in a veil of sadness? Today, we delve into the silent world of maternal depression, a topic often overlooked yet prevalent. The first element to consider is the hormonal changes that mothers undergo. Postpartum hormonal fluctuations can trigger mood swings and depression. It's like being on an emotional roller coaster, where the highs are fleeting and the lows overwhelmingly profound. Next, we have sleep deprivation. Newborns require constant care, disrupting mothers' sleep patterns. This can lead to exhaustion and mood disorders. Imagine feeling like you're walking through a fog day in and day out, with no respite in sight. Then we have social isolation. Mothers may feel isolated due to limited social interactions and the demands of childcare. This sense of isolation can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression. It's akin to being in a room full of people, yet feeling utterly alone. Stress is another significant factor. Balancing work, childcare, household chores, and other responsibilities can be overwhelming, contributing to stress and depression. It's like juggling too many balls in the air, knowing that if one drops, it all falls apart. Additionally, financial pressure plays a crucial role. The cost of raising a child, combined with potential loss of income during maternity leave, can create financial strain leading to anxiety and depression. Finally, relationship issues can add to the emotional turmoil mothers face. Changes in dynamics with partners or strained relationships can add to emotional stress for mothers. Yet, despite such challenges, there are ways to help mothers struggling with depression. Encouraging social support, seeking professional help, prioritizing self-care, establishing a balanced lifestyle, and having supportive partners can work wonders. In essence, mothers don't break, but they are often broken due to a myriad of factors. From hormonal changes and sleep deprivation to social isolation, stress, financial pressures, and relationship issues, the life of a mother is far from easy. However, with the right support and understanding, we can help alleviate their silent struggle. Remember, it takes a village to raise a child, but it also takes a village to support a mother. Because when we support mothers, we support the very foundation of our society. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.